Hello guys, this is a second video. Subject is LED blink. Let's get started. First of all, we are define a LED pin. After that, describe pin mode. This method set a pin input or output. And then must be digital write to low because I don't want start to setup section. Lastly, loop section. We are write all repeatable code in here. First, digital write. This function is a define a pin status high or low. Delay function is a wait time in millisecond type. We are write light on LED 1 second. After that, light off 1 second to forever. Today is done. See you next video.